Hello everyone. In this short video, I would like to show you how to use the Google Classroom where you will upload all the information that we will ask for, such as teacher biography, teaching and living questionnaire, ESL teacher's document packet, which includes the contract you must sign, and to ensure your place, you must also share your flight ticket with us. In the teacher's biography assignment, please upload a short biography about you that you would like to share with the other teachers. You have to include a recent photograph, your birthday, and your telephone number. We will connect via WhatsApp. There is an example. In the teaching and living questionnaire, please fill out the following link to identify your personal preferences regarding teaching and living situations. In the ESL teacher's document packet, please read it carefully and let us know if you have any questions. Please, it's important to make a copy of this document and then you can edit it online or print it off and scan it. Change the name to your first name. Example, Martin Flores ESL document packet. Fill out all the sections completely. Once you have finished, please upload your document. In the flight ticket information assignment, please upload here your flight ticket file. Could be a photo or a scan. Remember that your position is only secure upon receiving your flight information and completed packet. And finally, we have information that is only for your knowledge, such as semester training schedule, summarized teacher's manual, help dress code, semester information packet, travel instructions, new teacher's handbook, and health insurance information. In the semester training schedule, you can find where it's gonna take place, and you're gonna see the times for each activity. There are obligatory training days that you must attend. In the summarized teacher's manual, you can find the official school policies. Read for your own personal information. In the help dress code assignment, please read over the following description of the school dress code and answer the questionnaire that is in Google Forms. In the semester information packet, read this information and respond the corresponding questionnaire. In the travel instructions assignment, please inform you about the travel instructions and get familiar about your arrivals. In the new teacher's handbook assignment, read the information and fill out the questionnaire. Read the following information and make an educated decision about your health abroad. All this information is in our Google Classroom account. Therefore, you must have a Gmail account so that you can have access. Then, we will send you an access code. For example, once you are inside, you will be able to see the information in different assignments. We recommend that you first read the information that concerns you. And in each of these assignments, there is a test to do in Google Forms. Please answer them. Concerning the information that we need from you, please upload it as an assignment, either by uploading the file you have from your computer or by creating a sheet in the same assignment and dropping the file. The assignments will have a deadline and you will receive a reminder by email from Gmail to complete it. Remember that you have to create a Gmail account if you don't already have one. If needed, we have left a link in the description of this video to create your own Google account. Thank you very much for your attention and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.